Balen. Welcome to Wherein, Pampanga. For today's video, nandito po tayo ngayon sa Porac, Pampanga. And we were invited by Reka Farm and Resort. Guys, look at this. Eto yun. Wanna show you more about this place. Samahan niyo po ako. Let's go. Actually guys, first time namin tong mag-staycation sa Reka Farm and Resort. However, this is not the first time we visited it. Last time we were here, na-feature namin ito. And I must say, ang laki ng mga improvement in terms of the facilities and the staycations na nandito. Pinaka amenities talaga nila before when we were here, itong mga cabins na nandito sa likuran ko. Ayan guys. So right now guys, meron tayong mga villas dun sa parang pinakagilid nito, and dun tayo nagstay. It's actually VIP 9 if I'm not mistaken, no? Tara, puntahan natin. Let me tour you, let me show you kung ano po yung mga amenities, what made us enjoy yung stay namin dito. So, isa sa mga aabangan ko dito is yung Reka Cafe and Restaurant, which is actually ongoing construction the time na nag-visit kami dito. So, in few days time, you gotta check this out. Pwede na kayo mag-hangout dito. You can actually have your date, no? If you wanna sip your coffee, pwede din siya dito. And enjoy some local dishes, no? Yung mga local meals, they actually serve it here. And if you wanna enjoy them, dun sa pinaka front lawn, actually pwede rin naman yun. Like during the evening dito sa Reka Farm Resort, actually meron na tayong coffee shop doon, a cafe that serves coffee and yung mga, you know, local dishes, mga meals. You can actually enjoy them if you wanna, you know, eat and dine dito sa may parang pinaka lawn or public area, and then you can enjoy yung acoustic music ng mga soloists natin dito.
Sa Reg para sa vlog. Isa pa. Driving for a while, her hair blowing in the open window of my car.
Open more.
You like your place?
Senor.
You like your place?
Yes.
Huh? Alright. Thank you, Reka. Isa sa mga na-surprise ako dito sa Reka Farm Resort, available na yung mga food and drinks nila. Actually, ayun yung dinner namin for today. So, isa sa mga boodle fights nila. Aliko. If you want to visit this, we're going to be including all the details in the description below. You got to check them out, call them if you want to book in advance or inquire all the details you need to know. Guys, if you like this video naman, please help us with Facebook algorithm, with the YouTube algorithm. Give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, reaction, comments, likes, lahat mga gustong gawin nyo guys, please do so. And thank you for watching Warren Pampanga. I hope to see you in the next video. Peace out. Bye guys.